Okay guys, welcome back to the final video of this course. Wow, I'm glad you made this far. You know what? You deserve a pat on the back. Here's what you're gonna do. Stop everything you're doing and give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. Now let's get straight back into it. We're gonna be learning guest posting. Stick with me. Now this is a final method and one of the most powerful backlink strategies out there. Guest posts are the most natural backlinks and they're the most powerful and come from the strongest websites. A guest post is when you write an article and you send it off to another website for it to be published, and inside the article you have direct backlinks straight back to your website. Now let's go to the computer where I'm going to be showing you exactly where you can scrape these websites and how you get your articles written on these big, powerful websites. Alright guys, so this is basically how you guys want to be getting your guest posts. You're going to jump on a website called thehoff.com/guest post. I'm going to put it up on the screen right now so you guys can see that. You guys want to jump on that link and then scroll down to where it says packages and pricing. Now from here you guys can choose whether you want to jump on a guest post that is based on domain authority or publishes traffic. This basically means that you can select, okay, I want to make sure this this website gets 10,000 visitors a month, 5,000 visitors a month, 25,000 visitors a month. Usually you just go with domain authority. You start off with 10 domain authority. You don't want to go up to 50 straight away. You want to start with 10 and work your way up, as we mentioned before. 500 words is usually good, or even if you do 1,000, just depends, it's up to you. We usually go with 1,000 words, and obviously just one post for now. Once you've done that, you click on to order now, and then you'll take you to a page where you'll need to just double check this information, that's correct, yep, 10. Want to make that 1,000 words. And guest post boost, you don't want to do this. You want to maybe do this when you get to 50 plus, but like I don't recommend it. It's just, you know, just extra $49 and $149 you need to spend. It's not worth it. So always just go no thanks for that, and make sure you press one time if you don't want to keep doing this on a monthly basis. Press next step, and then you want to include your information in here. And then when you press place order and go to import, it's gonna take you to a page where it's gonna ask you for the URL of where you guys are going to send the backlinks to, and it's also going to ask you for the anchor text. So it's going to say, what do you want to put in an article where we send the information to, or the website to. So you guys can have like a click here. So in the article, when they write it up for you, by the way, these guys also write the article for you. They do everything for you. When you guys, if you guys say click here, in the article when they write it up, they'll put an area where it says click here, and they'll make it sound natural. And then when people click onto that, it goes straight back to your website. So that's basically where we get our guest post from. Very simple. They write the article for you, they publish it, and then they send you a report that shows exactly where your article has been written and all that good stuff. So it's very easy to use. It's called thehoff.com. Once again, it will be on the screen as well, and it will be the link in the description. Keep in mind, this outreach method I'll be showing you will be a little bit costly. However, it's going to save you a ton of time, and also keep in mind that these blog articles you put up will be published on their website forever. Therefore, you're always going to be getting traffic. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Once again, congrats for making it this far. I know it's been a lot to take in, so in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything summarized step by step so you guys can find it easier to implement it all. See you guys in the next video.